Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Shine Armor Revive Scratch Repair, which I bought on Temu. I'm going to use it on a small bit of the hood or bonnet, and to be fair with the product, I'm not going to play around with a microfiber cloth and apply that way. I will use like a polishing pad, like a medium-ish polishing pad, and also I will use a polisher just to see what it does. Also, I'm going to wipe it with alcohol just to ensure it's not something that only like fills up the scratches, but if something happens, so in case it removes, it really removed it. Now that was a very interesting sentence, but anyway, let's roll. By the way, in the box there was the compound itself, an applicator block, and a microfiber cloth. A funny one though.
And you make me sing, yeah. You make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. You make me sing, yeah. Come on. Let's get some sun, baby. It's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio.
Okay, boys and girls, that was the Shine Armor Revive Scratch Repair compound. As you've seen, and as I said, I used it with a machine, not just with a microfiber cloth, just to be fair with it. I have to say it did not perform bad, but when I used a one-step polishing compound, that performed visibly better. However, even this one removed some of the scratches, not the deep ones, but it gave some shine as well, and as I said, removed some of these washing scratches or wash marks. And scent-wise, it smells like soap, at least that's what I can smell. Other than that, would I recommend? Only in case you are really on a low budget, but otherwise I would recommend rather to buy a good quality one-step polishing compound, and that would have a better result. By the way, the one-step I also use with a medium pad, just to be kind of like comparable. And basically that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.